Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft's warranty exchange program for their Surface Duo products. So stick around and find out more. Now, as you guys know, I have a Surface Duo, and if you watched my last video, you know that right about here, right there, the plastic of the housing started coming up. It was something I didn't feel comfortable trying to glue back together because it went behind the screen. I went online to Microsoft.com and filled out a warranty request. I paid for expedited shipping, had the phone in a couple of days, pulled it out of the box, swapped my information, including, believe it or not, the D brand skin and the original bumper. Thought everything was a-okay, sent my phone back, and that's when the trouble started. Now let me start by saying that the Microsoft Surface Duo is a phone that I really wanted to love. I've been looking at this phone since well before its release, but couldn't justify the initial $1,500 cost of buying a phone, considering I have 4 or 5 phones lying around here. However, when the phone prices dropped down to $650, I just couldn't resist it. So I picked up my first Surface Duo. It was going great, except for the little part of plastic that was coming up. Now, as this phone has no IP6 rating for waterproofness or anything like that, I got kind of concerned that if that were there, then dust and water or anything could get into the phone even easier. Plus, the phone started making a creaky sound when I was opening it. Contacting Microsoft through Microsoft.com and going to my devices section, I found that it was a relatively simple process to just apply for a warranty replacement. You type in a few words, tell them what's going on, and then they give you 2 choices. You can send your phone off, wait for it to be repaired, and send it back, or you can do expedited shipping, where they will send you a replacement so that you can prepare your phone, get it sent back. The only difference is it takes a hold on your credit card. In my case, it was $1,500 that they held on this card. Now, I don't use that card for anything else, so it wasn't that big of a deal. I ordered the phone. It arrived a couple days later. I went through the process of restoring my data to the new phone. And then I noticed that the box that Microsoft shipped the new phone in had no return label. So I contacted Microsoft again. They had to put in a help desk ticket because they couldn't just give me another shipping label. Going back and forth between Microsoft's Warranty Center and Twitter, I finally got a shipping label and was able to ship the phone off. That's when my problem started with the new phone. I won't be able to reproduce it here, but right along here, right where this little seam is on what I consider the main screen, the screen with the camera, if you tap right here like you're typing, there will be this audible pop. And I noticed that the screen was actually coming up from right there, which is coming up right there on the silver part. That was problem 1. Problem 2, the phone was doing a thing where it would never shut off the secondary display, no matter what I did. And sometimes when you open it up, it would shut off the second display, or both displays, for no reason. Made typing one-handed very difficult, if not impossible. So I submitted a second claim. That is in limbo because they still have not received my first phone. This has been all within the span of 2 weeks, so I have a dilemma. Do I give the Surface Duo a third chance, or do I sell the unopened new Surface along with some screen protectors that I bought for it and buy something else that you guys might want to see reviewed? Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. I just wanted to share this real quick video with you guys to let you know that I'm probably just going to give up on the Surface Duo. I love the form factor, but this Gen 1 phone, if they can't get it right on 3 different brand new units, I can't rely on that for a day-to-day phone. And that's what this channel is all about, is reviewing technology that I can use on a day-to-day basis. And I just can't do that with this phone, and it breaks my heart. I've been what you would consider a Microsoft fanboy since Windows Mobile back in the day. I built my own HTC 6700 out of scraps. I had Windows mobile phones. I had Nokias. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If this is your first time to the channel and you like what you see, please click the like and subscribe buttons. I greatly appreciate that. And I hope you guys have a great day.